turn off camera shutter sound on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is turn on silent mode in your device. For that, what you have to do is click the button given at the top left corner above the volume buttons in this way. With that, you have turned on silent mode in your device. Now whenever you click the picture, you won't get any shutter sound. Likewise, the other thing you can do is open your camera. You can click the picture in the live mode, that way you will not get any shutter sound. At the top right corner you will find this live icon, just enable it. Now you can click the picture and you won't get any shutter sound. Likewise, the last thing you can do is open your control center. Now over here you're gonna get this volume option, you have to just disable it. With that you will be good to go. Now you can click the picture. So these are the ways to turn off camera shutter sound on iPhone. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.